Hello, Rita here. Welcome to New Nail Tech Success, where I help you get started as a nail technician. How you guys doing? Hopefully you're doing as good as I am today. Just thought I'd go ahead and do a video while I'm out and about at the Dollar Tree, and I said, hey, let me just show them some good things that we can use for nails that are cheap. So starting off, look at this. It's a clip-on spotlight. And these are good. I have this at home. I put one on each side so that when you're doing nails, you can actually see what you're doing. So that's a thing that a lot of people overlook. You gotta have the right illumination. And here are some mini nail polish racks. Isn't this cool? This is good. I'm gonna pick up a couple of these because I live in an apartment and I cannot put holes in the wall to put up a real nail polish rack, but these are awesome. I think if I get like 3 of these for the polishes and things that I use the most, that would be great. Now here you can get any type of storage container you need, every size. Because part of being a good nail tech, a very large part of being a good nail tech, is being organized. I'm going to get a couple of these containers. These are good for making up pedicure and manicure boxes. We used to use these in school so that when clients would come, we would just grab a box that had everything we needed to do the service. And then when we were done, we could put everything back into it and then go ahead and prepare it to be cleaned. We have the reusable gloves. I'm not a glove person when I wash dishes, but I'm going to start being one to protect my nails as I wear more designs and things. And then these are good. You need to have these when you are making your own colored acrylic because it gets very messy. So you want to protect your hands from getting stained and in general. So here we have some self-adhesive hooks. You may have seen a lot of nail girls in videos use these for their practice nails. Basically, you would put a tip on this and then you can easily maneuver it and work on whatever you want to work on. You would use the sticky tack putty, or you can actually use this foam mounting tape. They come in little squares. Take it off, stick it on there, and the tip should stay secure. So that's pretty neat. Now these little containers are excellent for making your own colored acrylic. 10 for $1. Then I bought these and the lid does snap on tight and secure. So definitely a go, but you can use for anything really, but I found those to be really useful for the color acrylic. Now this is excellent. This is a hardware storage case, and you definitely can put beads, stones, any small particles in, and I'm sure it's for nails and stuff. So it has that latch right there, so you know that if this falls, it's not going to spill out. And this would actually be a good thing for nail tips too. Anything, because nail tips always fall. I haven't had that experience yet. I hope you never do, but I have. It is a pain trying to organize all them tips again. I just don't even bother. I just buy new tips. That's how frustrating it is. So this is definitely a good deal for $1. Here's another possibility for your stones and your small nail decorations. This is a pill box rather, and this one is a little bit better because each section has its own lid. So this would be a better option. All you would have to do is put some labels over this part, the wording, and that would be a good option. So yeah, and it's a lot. It's like 21 slots. Okay guys, that concludes my Dollar Tree shopping. And if you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments section. And if you have yet to become a part of the family, please do. hit the notification so you're aware of the next video.